Hey guys, it's Aaron and Tracy here.
Hey,
And we
Traveler
are,
Bus.
Yeah, no. We are aboard
The Royal Caribbean.
in Odyssey of the Seas.
Yes.
And we are going to go through the 4th floor. We thought we'd just kind of walk through there and show you what it's like.
Yeah, this ship is really pretty.
Yeah, it's
So
really
we
pretty.
haven't even explored.
Yeah, so we're just going to go down there, walk around a little bit, and then, we'll just show you what we see and see this beautiful ship. And see what the 4th floor looks like. So here we go. We'll have to figure that one out. So we have little shops. They're closed because we're in port, obviously. Oh, there's a theater. This is where all the shows are. Sorry. The Royal Theatre. Okay, so we have, looks like, oh, the beauty store there, Solera Beauty. Liquor. Open up. Let us in. Chanel. All part of Solera Beauty. And that is Unboxed Stocks for Adventure.
Oh, it's artwork, I think.
Oh, the artwork back there. The collection. Oh, this looks like jewelry and purses and sunglasses and all stuff you need. Same store. So here's the music hall, which is part of that thing we saw back there. Nice. Okay. Yeah, it looks like. I'm gonna try to check that out later.
This is kind of cool.
The Crown and Compass. I heard this is a fun place. Food and drink. Crown and Compass. More stores, the regalia. Watches. This is a beautiful ship, by the way.
It really is.
There's people in there. This is always closed, though.
Yeah, because you got to come in
Yeah,
this
without.
way.
Oh, okay. He's trying to wave us down. We're just.
See?
There's
Hey!
more regalia. Late. We're gonna go on later.
How are you? Where you been? Where you going?
Where are we going? We're going to go to dinner.
We're going to dinner, but we're just.
Oh, you always coming.
I know, I've gained like 10 pounds.
Oh, I know. That's what the food is about.
I know, it's terrible. Well,
Again.
this is our second. We did back to back. We were on.
Oh, you all back to back. I
That's
haven't
the
seen
pizza
you.
place?
Well, we weren't on the ship. We were on
The dining area. There's Sorrento's, another dining area. Okay, so this is
There's the
Cafe
pizza
Promenade.
place. Looks really
Yeah, I
good.
just showed that. Hello,
Hello.
friendly people. I wanted to show the signs, what I was trying to get to. Cafe Promenade.
And it looks like they've got a ton of sweet treats in there.
Yeah.
Coffee.
Guess this is not zoom in on this. And they have a Starbucks.
We do have a Starbucks.
Yeah. Guess we know we're going in the mornings. And they have this little kiosk area where they sell trinkety.
Watches and-
Oh, booze.
Yeah, and some of the
Oh yeah, a little paraphernalia. Royal Caribbean. Port merchants. Perfumes. Boleros. I've heard of this place. Now I think this is where, that's right, vaccinated guests only. It's very dark in here. So there's a band that plays over there.
Nice.
Yeah. People have a little cocktail before dinner.
Yeah.
Might have to check this place out one day.
Yep.
We're headed towards our dining room. So guest services is just on the other side. The artwork. Good evening.
Between $1,000 and $10,000.
Guest services over there. Look at this piano player. No? And the Royal SC. That's reflection. Okay, and then our main dining room, which is where we're getting ready to go. So, guys, that's the 4th floor. So, yeah. There's a lot to show there, but hope you liked what you saw. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. Otherwise, thank you for watching.